She's done. You're getting everything. Wiring not smashed into the backing. Rear driver side going on. Rear driver side wired up. Driver side front wired up. Passenger side rear. Oh my God. Well, at least we know it won't get hot. Passenger side front. Yeah. Done. Alright, passenger side front's on. This top bolt is actually welded into the plate, and this is a larger than normal axle, so I can't replace that front or that top mounting bolt. These four will hold it on just fine. Passenger side rear, brake is going on. Passenger side rears wired up, and passenger side front wired up. 4 new hub and drums, get them packed up. Inner portion of the hub and drum has grease. Now we're going to pack the bearings. Fourth one done. Front axle on this trailer has a 2 1/8 seal. Rear axle's 2 1/4. All hubs are packed. $50. Back off, hand tight, back off, hand tight. Passenger side front retainer is verified. Passenger side rear cotter pin is verified. Can't spin, slightly rubbing. Can't spin, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Passenger side front. Brakes are adjusted on passenger side. Passenger side rear, wired and shrunk wrap. Passenger side front, wired and shrunk wrap. Let's get the other side put together. 50, backed off, hand tight. Driver side front retainer is verified. Driver side rear cotter pin is verified. Driver side rear, slightly rubbing. Back off, slightly rubbing. Brakes are adjusted, shrink wrap and wiring. Wiring driver side's done. Driver side rear free spinning, driver side front free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, locked up. Brakes are off, back to free spinning, back to free spinning. Driver side works. Passenger side rear free spinning, passenger side front free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, rear locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, free spinning. All brakes work. Check his lights. Marker lights down the rear are working. Right turns on and working. Left turns on and working. Oh, marker lights right there work on passenger side, and marker light driver side does work. Cool. Front driver side's good. Front passenger side's good. All markers, left turn, right turn work. All brakes work. Let's see if this breakaway works. They are not working. Might need a breakaway kit. Ooh, let's see if it'll work off 12 volt. That way we know the circuit works. All right, 12 volt is on. The breakaway pin is pulled. Yep, 12 volt off. Back to free spinning. 12 volt on, locked up. Okay, circuitry is good. Battery's bad, and it's not charging off of my box. So that needs to come off. Oh, come on. Oh, can't go there. Let's see if they work now. Brakes are locked up. Perfect. Pins back in. Back to free spinning. Cool. Breakaway works. Breakaway kit is on. It's all working. All wired up. It's charging off the truck. Equalizer needs to be changed out. He has them, but we don't have the other bolts. I need to also fix this rear hanger. The slipper holder's bending out. So I'll fix that. I'll come back Saturday and do that. Yeah, torque and lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. That's the rundown on this trailer. 4 new backing plates, 4 new hub and drums, 4 new bearing kits. All lug nuts are torqued. New breakaway kit. All lights and wiring work. This job's done. I'm on to the next. We're back at the car hauler. I'm gonna do new equalizers for him, and I'm gonna fix his rear hanger on his passenger side. Rub portion of the hanger is blown out. What's good? Look at that. There's the equalizer, wear pad's gone, and main bolt is rubbed down. Here's what a new one looks like. Wear pad goes towards the front. There's the wear plate. There you go. I got a new wear plate marked out. I'm gonna cut it and then cut it down a little bit, and then it'll fit right inside that hanger. New wear plate is done. Fits perfectly. Let's weld it. New wear plate is in, just gotta weld it. First I'm gonna tack it, then weld it. Beautiful. Wear plate is welded. And now we're putting the suspension back together. I only had to do a wear plate on this side. The other side's fine. But I am gonna change the bolts, and I'm gonna change the equalizer on the driver's side. Front bolt is in. Front retention bolt is going in. Middle bolts are in. And rear retainer bolt going in. And tightening the bolts. Suspension on this side is tight. Middle bolt is greased. Let's get the other side done. Darn good thing we're doing this. Retainer bolt. Oh, I hate when they weld it. Why would they do that? There's the main bolt. There's the shackle bolt. New bushing going in. New equalizer is in. New locking bolt is in. Rear bolt is in. There's the equalizer. And front bolt coming out. New bushing is in. Front bolt is in. Rear retainer bolt is in. Main bolt is tight. Oh. And torque and lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. Let's do the rundown on this trailer. 2 new equalizers, customer supplied. I've changed all the bolts, all the bushing on the trailer. I did weld a new wear plate on the rear hanger. This job's done. I'm on to the next.